What is up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the cabin air filter on this Mercedes-Benz GLE. This process works for the Mercedes-Benz GLE 2016 to 2018, the ML 2012 to 2015, the GL 2013 to 2016, and the GLS 2017 to 2018. So let's get started. This car takes 3 filters, 1 dust filter and 2 charcoal activated filters. To get started, first we're going to remove this panel over here. It should easily come out. Next, we're going to remove this box over here by first removing these clips. And then there's one over here. And then the box comes right out. You can already see the dust filter over here. So we're going to remove it by bending it and then pulling it out. Just like that. We can now see the 2 charcoal activated filters, and we're going to remove the second one first before the first one. To remove it, you have to first push the second filter forward and then remove it. Pay attention to the direction it came out, and the arrows were pointing down, so this is the same way we'll insert the new filters. Now, you're going to slide the left filter to the right, and then push forward and remove it. Now, let's take out the new filters. So, with the arrow pointed down, we're going to insert it. We're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to insert it, push it forward, and then slide it to the right. Let's do the same thing for the second filter. I finished installing the second filter. Now we're going to install the last filter, which is the dust filter. First, let's remove it. To install it, make sure the arrows are pointed down. So it'll go in this way. To install it, all you have to do is insert it. And then be sure to bend it a bit so that it fits right in. Then make sure it's completely snug and it isn't moving around. After installing the filter, we're going to put this cover back in place next. So let's do that. First, let's put it back into place. And then snap the clips back in. You can see this clip over here. That's one. And we're gonna do the next one. That's 2. And the last one down here, that is 3. Last, we're going to be installing this piece over here. And there are these 3 tabs on this piece, and they get inserted over here. So let's get started. Now they're nice and snug. We're done. I recommend you start the car, turn on the ventilation, and make sure there's no odors or dust coming through the cabin. After that, you're all good to go. I'll be sure to leave a link to where I got these filters in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.